This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by giving the app the access it requires. Open Settings, find Apps, select Google Translate, and enable camera and microphone permissions. Once done, go directly to the Play Store or App Store and update the app. Outdated builds often break camera features. After the update completes, restart your phone to make sure permission flags and app components reload cleanly, which avoids transient camera access conflicts and prepares the app for the next troubleshooting steps. If permissions and updates didn't fix it, clear the Translate cache and storage. Go to App Info, tap Clear Cache and Clear Storage. This removes corrupt temp files that block the camera. Next, force stop the app to ensure no background process holds the camera, then open Translate and try the camera mode again so the app rebuilds necessary resources. If the camera still fails, uninstall and reinstall the app to replace any damaged binaries or settings that clearing alone couldn't resolve. Now confirm whether the problem is the app or the device. Open a different camera app and record or scan text. If that works, toggle Translate's camera permission off and on, then retry. Sometimes the permission state flips. Try Translate with a short airplane mode toggle to rule out network-related service errors. If the camera still fails, reboot into safe mode to check for third-party interference, and if needed, gather logs and contact Google support, mentioning exact device model and Android or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.